Hello folks and welcome back to the channel. Today, as the title suggests, we are going to talk about lists in HTML. So, lists are of two types, ordered lists and unordered lists. Let's start with unordered lists. So, I'll just begin with my very convenient boilerplate code here, which is, if you don't remember, an exclamation mark followed by enter. In the title, let's write lists, and now let's start with unordered lists, shall we? To represent an unordered list, you have to use the UL tag, and each item in that unordered list you have to represent with an li tag. How will we do that? Let's see. Now, as I said, to represent an unordered list, I have to use the UL tag, and every item in that unordered list has to be represented using the li tag. So let's write the name of the channel right here and copy that line down. Now I'll save it and I'll go live. That, ladies and gentlemen, is an unordered list. Now, as the name suggests, an unordered list marks list items with bullets by default, as you can see right here. But that is not the only type of bullet that you will get. The default is disk, which is this, but there are also two more styles of bullets, circle and square. So let's implement the circular bullet points of an unordered list. To do that, we have to write inside that UL opening tag style equals, inside quotes, list style type colon circle followed by a semicolon and end of quotes. If you save it, go back to the browser and you will see right here these are circles. There's also square, so instead of circle I'll just write here square. Save it. There you have it, square bullets. And if you don't want any bullets of any sorts, you will just write none and they're just gone. That was it about unordered lists. Now let's talk about ordered lists. It's really intuitive. You just use an OL tag, and just like unordered lists, every list item has to be represented using the li tag. Now I'll just tell you a shortcut. If you need 6 li tags like we did in the unordered list, just write li into li into 5 and emmet will handle that automatically for you. That's just a handy little shortcut. Now let's just write div tabs everywhere. Save it, go back to the browser, and there you have it, ordered lists. One second, I'll just do this as disk for the time being. Disk is the default one. And just like unordered lists, ordered lists also have their own types. Here in ordered list, you have to specify using type. Now there's capital A, like this. There's numeric numbers, like which are the default ones. There are Roman numbers which you specify using I, like this. There are lowercase letters, which you specify using small a, lowercase a, and there are also Roman numerals which basically use the uppercase letters, like that. Okay, so that was all you need to know about lists in HTML. Okay folks, so that was it for this video. Drop a like if you like the video, subscribe if you want to see more such content, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye folks.